Hello everyone, welcome to our H5 Think Math Challenge. Last time we have learned how to count from 5. Just remember number is not enough. In mathematics, we should connect the number and specific amount to hope everybody is able to distinguish the shape of 5 already. And in your life, you can also see, wow, if there are 5 things, try to remember the shape of 5 instead of just know the number 5, the name of it. Now, today we're gonna to know how to use it and count bigger numbers more quickly. So let's see. Today our task is just to apply the helper 5 to count bigger number more quickly. So first we are gonna to explore rainforest to see many lovely plants and insects and also how to use 5 to count them quickly. Let's learn it! As you can see, Glue Glue and Square we find recently a little bit boring. So they decided to go to a really interesting place, which is just a rainforest. Let's go! Oh my gosh, it's so dark around, but some glowworms comes. So they decide to catch some glowworms to make Latin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 glowworms can make one Latin. If there are 5 people, 5 children in total, how many glowworms have they caught at? Let's see. This time, do we still need to count it one by one? Too small, too many numbers. It takes a lot of time. So we had better just count from 10 and count by 10. Because 10 is a really interesting and easy number. It always ends with 0. It has a lovely tail. So here we just need to count from 10, like 10. Next, 20. 2 tens, which is 20. 3 tens, which is 30. And when we got 4 tens, it is 40. 5 tens, which will make 50. In this case, we can get, in total, they have caught up 50 glowworms. See, when we can count by groups of 10, it will be much faster. So today we will learn how to count by groups. Let's just do it. Yeah, as you can see, what are on the leaves? Do you know? Yeah, they are just the ladybirds. And let's see, last time we have learned how to distinguish the shape of 5. Have you noticed the 5? Good job. This time, every single column just has 5 ladybirds. So, 2 5s on one leaf. In other words, every leaf has 10 ladybirds. It's true. Then, when we are counted, we just need to count by groups of 10. Let's see. 10, 2 tens, which is 20. Then 30. So if we count by groups of 10, how many ladybirds are there? Yes, it is just 30, 3 tens. Now let's continue to practice. This time, if we still need to count by 10, because apparently, let's observe first. Every single leaf has the same amount of ladybirds, and because we are so proficient in the shape of 5, we can see that every leaf just has 2 5s, which makes 10. So we just need to count by 10. Let's check it. 10, 20, 30, 40, and next in 50. So in total, there should be 50 ladybirds. Have you got it? Then, if every leaf has 10 ladybirds, we just need to count by groups of 5. Let's move faster this time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So in total this time, here should be, 50 ladybirds. The last task, let's do it. This time, of course, some students, some kids may wonder, and why do we need to start with up left corner every time? Of course, you can start from the right down corner, but please count in order. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens, as you can see, which is just 100. After we have know how to combine groups of 10, they go forward. It is really heavily. They need to find a place first as the shelter. Wow! Here comes a really big flower. Have you ever seen this kind of flower? Yeah, actually, it is just Rafflesia. Rafflesia is a really kind of famous flower in Malaysia and around the world because it is the kind of biggest flower in the world. Yeah, as you can see, they're so surprised because these flowers are greater than you then, and of course, they will be greater than you. Yeah, actually, but for the Rafflesia, there are two different kinds. The first kind is female flower. The other kind is the male flower. They got different properties. Let's see, what is the property of them? Yeah, as you can see, actually, if the female flower can just be considered to be the girls in flower, and the male flowers can be considered to be the boys in flowers. And as you can see, for the boys in flower, they got 5 petals, but for girls flowers, they got 4, 5, or 6 petals. So they are different. And as you can see, in total, there are 6 male flowers. All of them are boys with 5 petals. Can you count quickly? How many petals do they have in total? First 5, 2 5s makes 10, 15. If another 5, 20. Another 5, 25. Another 5, 30. Yeah, as you can see, when we count by 5, there are rhythm, so that is easy to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So in this case, when we count by 5, it is much more quickly. Now, let's count more of them. Also, as you can see, because every Rafflesia got 5 petals, please remember to count by groups of 5 this time. 5, 10, next. Good job, 15, continue, 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Got it? Actually, just as 10, 5s, when we count by groups of 5, there are also patterns. So let's try to become more proficient. in the shape of 5 and groups of 5. Now, this time, it's your turn to do the practice. As you can see, there are some lovely 5-star flowers. So please count how many petals does every single flower have? Good job, just 5. So please count by groups of 5. Let's test it. Did you get it correctly or not? Please read aloud and count with me together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So let's see. Yeah, did you get it correctly? Wow, let's see. These are coconut. These are coconut fruit. Please count how many coconut fruit are there. Because they are paired into groups of 2, so we just need to count by groups of 2. Let's see it. First, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As long as we know the pattern within 10, when that is beyond 10, follow the pattern. Like 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah, it's true. And also, if you were proficient enough, you can see in the first row, we got 10. In the second row, we got another 10. So 2 10s, which will also make 20. When you are doing the practice, you can try to create some different ways. More different methods you can find, more creative you will become. How many frogs are there? For the first few leaves, you can see apparently how many frogs are one leaf? You just 5. So let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. No, don't say 35. Please observe first. On the last leaf, how many frogs are there? Yeah, if you have a strong number sense, you will see just 3. So we just need to add 3 to 30. How many are there? Good job, that is just 33. Have you got it? So today we have learned when we are counting, if the things have been divided into groups of 5, we just need to count by 5. If they are grouped into pairs, we just need to count by groups of 2, but we should be super proficient in groups of 5 and groups of 2. Quite looking forward to your work. See you next time. Bye.